Hey everyone, for this video, I'll teach you how to upload high quality TikTok videos. With this tutorial, your videos on TikTok won't come out with potato quality. Instead, they will feel realistic. So just go to settings by opening TikTok and going to your profile and finding it there. And scroll down and find Data Saver. This should be off if you don't want TikTok slowing your videos down just to save some data. If that still doesn't suffice, try scrolling down and finding Report a Problem. And then submit a report and write the problem that you have. Just type random stuff like your TikTok doesn't let you upload high quality videos or that it's broken. But remember, if you upload bad quality videos, don't expect TikTok to make it high quality because it doesn't work like that. Your videos have to be high quality while you're uploading them so they will turn out with the same quality that you had. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.